Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's ride is going to be epic. We're heading to Mavanuru Betta. It's a beautiful hilltop temple surrounded by massive windmills. And trust me, the views from up there are unreal. It's a one-day breakfast ride, roughly 3 hours one way. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's roll. We started really early, around 4 a.m. The sky was still dark, the streets were empty, and there was a light drizzle with that fresh, earthy smell in the air. The weather was cloudy, no sunrise today, but honestly, it gave the ride a whole different vibe. Just the sound of rain hitting the visor and the engine humming through the mist. The plan was simple: reach by breakfast, explore the temple, grab a few drone shots, and return by noon. A perfect monsoon-style breakfast ride. Everything was going perfectly fine until Google Maps decided to play games with us. We followed the two-wheeler route, looked fine on the map, but suddenly we realized we were completely lost. And then, surprise number 2, the road ahead was flooded. Yep, our shortcut turned into a mini river. So yeah, time to turn around. And this time, we trusted the car route instead of the bike route. As we climbed higher, the landscape completely changed. Out of nowhere, these giant windmills started appearing one after another, spinning peacefully in the breeze. It honestly felt like riding through a movie scene. The wind was strong, the sky was crystal clear, and you could literally feel that open road freedom. After a few wrong turns and a lot of laughs, we finally made it to the top. The temple sits peacefully right at the summit, surrounded by windmills and rolling hills on all sides. The view? Just wow. A full 360-degree panorama of the countryside. Calm, breezy, and so peaceful. And that's what I love about rides like this. Sometimes, getting lost makes the best memories. If you're planning a one-day breakfast ride near Bangalore, Mavanuru Betta should definitely be on your list. Thanks for watching, riders. Hit that like button, drop a comment below, and subscribe for more cinematic rides and drone adventures. Until next time, ride safe, ride free, and I'll see you on the next road.